Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Verma. Today we're diving into a delicious winter special from Punjab, which is a Sarson Ka Saag. So to make our Sarson Ka Saag, we need sarson or mustard greens, we have bhatua, some palak or spinach leaves, finely chopped onions, finely chopped garlic, some Makkai Ka Atta or maize flour, Garam Masala Powder, Dhania Powder or coriander powder, ginger paste, red chilli powder, green chilies which have been slit, some ghee or clarified butter, salt to taste and some hing. I've got my pressure cooker. In that I'm putting in my sarson, the bhatua and the palak leaves. This has all been cleaned well and finely chopped. And a little bit of water. This is going to be pressure cooked with the whistle on, up to 1 whistle. The greens are pressure cooked for up to 1 whistle, after which whistle is removed, the pressure is released and the whole pressure pan is put under running water. This ensures the color is intact of the greens. Our greens are boiled and ready, they're cooked. I've just mashed them a little. I don't want to puree them, but if you like, you can puree these. Now we need to do the tempering. So for our tempering, I have ghee, which I'm heating up in my pan. To my ghee, I'm adding my green chilies, which are slit, finely chopped onion, my ginger paste, finely chopped garlic. My onions are slightly browned. To this I am going to add my greens. I am going to let this cook. In goes my Makkai Ka Atta, red chilli powder, garam masala powder and some dhania or coriander powder. Last, I'm just going to add a tiny bit of Vaidehi Hing and allow this to cook for a few minutes. Our sarson is cooked and now we're ready to serve. So that's our winter special from Punjab, Sarson Ka Saag. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. Thank you for watching.